Marshall speakers have always been some of the coolest looking speakers around, with the iconic Marshall logo and striking metallic accents. Previously though, their portable speakers weren't quite portable, with the lightest being the Stockwell 2 at 1.4 kilograms. They've finally come up with a new speaker that's not only lightweight and truly portable, but looks and sounds just as good. Here are 5 things you should know about the new Marshall Emberton. Let's start with the most important aspect, sound. As with other Marshall portable speakers, there's multi-directional sound on the Emberton, with metal grills on the front and rear. This results in the soundstage feeling even bigger, and lets instruments and vocals sit in their own position without feeling cramped. The emphasis is definitely on the bass and treble, which is typical of the Marshall sound. This means you get distinct vocals with excellent bass that really packs a punch. If you get a chance to try these, take a listen to The Hills by The Weeknd. The bass line in the chorus really shines. With Bluetooth 5.0 capabilities, the maximum range on these will be up to 30 meters, so if you bring the Emberton to pool parties or the barbecue pit, you won't have to worry about the connection dropping as you move around. The connection is also rock solid, with easy setup at the start. There's no need to worry about your speaker suddenly running out of battery life either, since you get a whopping 20 plus hours out of a single charge, which is the same as the heavier Kilburn 2 speakers. Speaking of pool parties, the last thing you want is for an accidental splash or spill to ruin your speakers. With an IPX7 rating, the speaker is pretty much protected against all sorts of water damage. Even if someone knocks the Emberton into the pool, as long as you get it out before it sinks too deep, it'll be fine as long as it doesn't sit in water deeper than 1 meter for over 30 minutes. What if you want to skip tracks, adjust the volume, or pause the song, but your phone isn't with you at the moment? Marshall's multi-directional control knob from their new headphones make its way to the Emberton, and it's mighty convenient. Press down and hold to turn the speaker on or off, and push up or down for volume control. Left and right swipes control track skipping, while a short press toggles between play and pause. Remember how we said this speaker was truly lightweight? Well, that's because it is. It's the lightest Marshall speaker yet, weighing in at just 0.7 kilograms. That's 2.2 pounds for those of you using the Imperial system. Comparing that against the rest of Marshall's portable speaker lineup, it's half the weight of the next lightest speaker. This really is something you can just chuck into your bag and bring around wherever. So who's this speaker for? Honestly, I'd say anybody who likes Marshall's design and wants a portable speaker should go for this. The convenience of being able to throw it into my bag and head out is great, and the design is super stylish while not compromising on audio quality. The Marshall Emberton retails at 249 Singapore dollars and is now exclusively available on Shopee Mall with special launch promotions.